Hi guys, it's Down Under Monkey, and I'm going to pick this Lips Keso Omega. Was given to me by a buddy of mine, Nick, and let's have a go. So I've been playing with this for a while. It's really starting to annoy me because it's just not that hard, but it is that hard. So anyway, I'm going to use my little homebrew flag and this hook and this tension bar. It fits, does what it's supposed to do. It's not ideal, but should be right. And let's turn this light on so you can see what might be going on and get started. So I'm new to dimples, and they used to frighten the crap out of me, but I guess it's the next step in progression. This one gives absolutely fantastic counter rotation on such small pins. See that little movement there? Oh, my bloody finger's in the way, you wouldn't have seen anything at all. So anyway, let's try for a different one. Yeah, this camera angle's not really doing anything justice. It's just my fat hand in the way, but anyway. I better stop talking and concentrating on picking. Hopefully I'm not breathing like a train when I start to concentrate, because this lock requires a lot of concentration. So why do I use a homebrew flag? Well, I keep buying locks, and the problem is when I buy locks, I can't afford the right picks. So what I need to do is stop buying locks and start buying the correct tooling to pick things. Of course, if anyone was feeling super generous and wanted to donate me a set of multi-pick flags, I would be forever grateful. I may have to employ the services of my hook shortly. Oops, that was a big click. Probably a massive overset. Okay, I got a false setback. And I got a click. Definitely something going on down there. Small click. And I released a little tension off the tension bar. And there it is. Oh my god, I picked that with this homebrew piece of crap. Nice. Alright, well, now's as good a time as any to learn how to gut it, I suppose. Okay, what are we at? 5 minutes. That was pretty good. Alright, I don't know what this clip is, or even how to get it off, to be quite honest. Challenge number 1. Let's use this. Well, there we go. Oh, don't turn any further. Okay, there's half a clip. And the other half a clip. This is going to be hilarious. Alright, shims. I'm assuming I'll need some more of them. I've got some beat up ones here I can try and slide down. I don't think there's anything in that Bible because I didn't have to pick that one. So let's burn a shim down that side. A shim down that side. See if we can get a third one in. That's actually really tight right now. Well, that end's kind of cactus. Ooh, that's tight. I don't think I'm going to get a shim in that one. Alrighty, well, let's attempt to use 2 shims. Turn it like that. Hopefully this follower actually fits. I haven't actually tried. Uh-oh. So, I got a pin drop out from one side. That's fine. So we're going to call that the top. So actually I'll put it in there because it's actually in the middle, if that makes any sense. Now this did not come with a key, so I'm going to grab both sides of that. Cool. And I'm just going to attempt dumping. This is really difficult. I'm just going to throw that out. Yeah, that's never going to work. So we'll do that then. Pin 2. Pin 3. They kind of look like they have a little ridge on them that holds them in place. Okay, so oops, fell straight back in. There we go, got it. I don't know if that is anything. Oops, it was. Okay, so we'll put that there. Now, onto the, we'll call that the left hand side, right hand side, I don't know. The side bit. Let's get a few of them poked out. So there's 5 aside. Actually, put them that way, and that way I will remember the order in which they go back in. Right, well, I'm going to leave those 2 for now and move on to here. Poke out some of these. Whoops, I know where that one came from. Some people that gut these make it look so easy. This is not fun. I mean, it's fun, don't get me wrong, picking it's fun. But gutting it, different story. I'm still super chuffed that I picked this bloody thing. You know, like it's, okay, so there's only 4 pins in that side, so I'll drop that one out. Out you come. This is going to be difficult. Okay, here we go. So there's only 4 pins on that side, but there's another 2 on this side. So that's position 2 down here, and position 1. Nice. And there's our, let me just get this light happening because that's not working very well. I'll turn it a bit brighter. Okay, so there's the core. Those little ridges you're seeing around the edge are just so the pins don't fall too far in, because each one of these pins has a little step on it which lines up with it. Alright, well, there's those pins, the key pins. Alright, now I'm going to need a separate pinning tray for the drivers. And this is going to be the bit I haven't quite thought about yet. Is how to get each one out. Well, when I say I haven't, I cut a notch here. So I guess what could happen is I could slide around in a circle. Oh, hang on. We have movement at the back. Ooh, let's push that back in, because I don't want that coming out just yet. And let's see what happens. Okay, this is going to be difficult. So if I just hold that there for a sec, I just want to see how these driver pins react when I turn this around. Okay, so there's one. Alright, they're kind of like they have a spring attached to them with a little cutout on it. Okay, gonna put that one there. Now I've got this one. Everything's coming out at once. Oopsie. One went flying. Hold up. I've got to find that. Where did that go? All the way over there. Okay. So let's just see where that came from. I do apologise for the dicking around. I have never gutted one like this before in my life. So I guess if what I do, I let it, if you hear a weird noise in the background, it's my crazy dog scratching at his bed. Okay, so we'll go for number 2 on that side. Turn that, number 2 in that stack. Okay. And a number 2 in that stack. This is not my most proud gutting moment. I will tell you that for free, but hasn't gone completely pear-shaped just yet. Now there's a kid over the back of my yard screaming. Okay, so alright, okay, so I might have actually been able to slide those out one by one. Anyway, I'll keep doing it this way. So I'm down to pin 3. If you can see, what I'm doing is I'm turning it, and then because it's a hollow tube, I'm just letting it fall into my pinning tray. Turn to the next one. Let it fall into my pinning tray. Get to position 4 now, so that whole thing is ready to actually come out. So I might just change it up a bit and push out this whole middle section. So that's got 5. Okay. That's the top section, I think. Alright, and there's one of the holders. Put that there. And then we've got this one. Wow. That was just a tiny, tiny, tiny little spring. That just rocketed out of that. And there's another one of those. Okay. So let's pop that out. That came from the teensy tiny little spring. Position 5. That one. Position 4. And there's the holder. Now the next one. Make sure no spring. Okay. Okay, so that's down to 4. There. And there. And then the last piece looks like just a filler with an anti-drill protection. So if I pull that out, it's got nothing on it. And then you've got this last little piece at the front here, like that, which looks like anti-drill protection. And there's the inside of that. Not that there's anything you'll learn from there. Well, there you have it. So I've got to put that spring. Oh, bloody hell, that one just wants to run away. Sorry, just bumped the camera. So there's all the driver pins, and I can see why I was getting a lot of false sets, because they're sort of like spooled in a way. See if I can zoom that in anymore. Yeah, see, they're kind of spooled. Okay, so there's those, and I've just got the order asked about, but when I put it back together it will be the right way around. So key pins and driver pins, cores, holders, springs everywhere. Thank you so much for watching, and now I just got to go try and put it back together. Have a great day. See you later.